Welcome to our comparison video where we will dive into the features and specifications of two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Foldable Mini Washing Machine. Whether you're living in a small apartment, dorm, or RV, finding the right washing machine can make all the difference. Let's see how these two options stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine offers a significant advantage with its 18 pounds washing capacity and a 10-pound spinner. This means you can wash larger loads of laundry at once, making it ideal for families or those with heavier laundry needs. On the other hand, the Foldable Mini Washing Machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which is suitable for small loads, such as baby clothes or delicates. If you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments, the Auertech may be the better choice for you. In terms of features, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine comes equipped with a drain pump, adjustable inlet hose, and overheat protection, making it a robust option for efficient laundry management. It also has a separate spinner, which enhances its functionality. Conversely, the Foldable Mini Washing Machine is more basic, with limited features and a single tub design. While it is lightweight and portable, it may not provide the same level of convenience for larger laundry tasks. Price is another critical factor to consider. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is priced at $269, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the Foldable Mini Washing Machine is a budget-friendly option at just $57, making it an attractive choice for those who need a simple solution for small loads. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and laundry needs. In conclusion, both the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Foldable Mini Washing Machine have their unique strengths. The Auertech is perfect for those who need a powerful machine for larger loads, while the Foldable Mini is ideal for those with limited space and smaller laundry needs. Remember to consider your specific requirements before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.